Sharma. In this video, we are going to learn how to make a sword on Blender. So let's start. We don't need light and camera, so we'll select them. Now, this cube the Z should be 0.25. Now press Shift A in mesh to the cube. Make this 1.5. This also 1.5. Select the cylinder, go to edit mode, select this face, I to inset, go on object mode, press Shift A in mesh, choose a cylinder, 0.9, and this should also be 0.9. This should be 3. Select this. Press Shift A in mesh to the cube. This should be 0.5 and this should be 5. This is a bit less, so we make it 6. Press Ctrl C and V. Rotate this at 10 degree in Y. In Z10. In Y it should be 10. Yes. Okay, 20. Press Ctrl C and V. Make this -20. Select this, press Shift, select this. Take this out, edit, bool tool difference. Select this, Shift, bool tool difference. So this is our sword. Now we are going to color it. First move this cursor anywhere else. Select this one, this cylinder. Add new. I am making this brown. I am making this black, and this it is going to glow, so we will make it emission. So now we will select this whole sword, press Shift and join them. Press Ctrl C. Here I have opened this where I taught you how to make a gun. You can make these two and press Ctrl V. Just decrease their size according to here. And place the sword in the second hand. Like this. So I hope you like this video. Now we will meet in next video. Bye.